Hi everyone, my name is Ian. Today news list about helicopters crashed in Argentina. An accident happens in Argentina. Two helicopters hit. 10 people were on the helicopters. They died. 3 French sports stars died. Their names are Camille Mulet, Alex Vatin, and Florence Arthur. Camille Mulet was a swimmer. She won at the London Olympics 2012. Alex Vatin was a boxer. Florence Arthur was the swimmer. They were filming at the TV show there. It shows how people can live nature. The TV show is called Dropped. Okay, in the text there is new word solar. Solar it means a person who is on the spot. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.